Welcome to Preschool Champs!
Come along, it's time for fun. Let's make sounds one by one. Clap your hands, the game's begun. Fun animal sounds challenge for little ones. Little duck goes quack, 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 waddling slowly down the track. What does the duck say? Quack, quack. Let's all say it, quack, quack, quack. Big brown cow goes moo, 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 chewing grass the whole day through. What does the cow say? Moo, moo. Let's all say it, moo, moo, moo. And fun animal sounds challenge for little ones. Cheeky monkey in the tree, laughing loudly, hee, hee, hee. What does the monkey say? Hee, hee, hee. Come on, kids, laugh with me. And fun animal sounds challenge for little ones. Mighty lion with golden hair roars so loud and fills the air. What does the lion say? Roar, roar. Let's all roar like lions.
Good roar!
Great fun animal sounds challenge for little ones. Elephant big with a long, long nose, trumpets pow everywhere he goes. What does the elephant say?
Pow!
Let's trumpet loud, yes, me and you. Great fun animal sounds challenge for little ones. Sneaky snake slides through the grass, hissing softly as you pass. What does the snake say? Sss. Let's hiss together. Sss. Quack and moo, hee and roar, pow-woo, pow-woo, and sing some more. Clap your hands, this song is done. Fun animal sounds challenge for little ones.
Thanks for watching Preschool Champs. Subscribe for more kids' educational videos.